Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. I'm going to be using these watercolor paints and then I'm going to list all these in the description box. Then I'm going to use some of these jelly print papers, then tissue paper and things like that. And then I'm going to use some dyes. I may use it or I may not, but I just kept it all those things. And then let's get started. So now I'm going to use this watercolor paint, and then I'm going to first spray some water on that to activate it. And this is like a watercolor book. I'm just going to brush some water, and then I'm going to add the colors. This is like a fun project and it's abstract. Um, so, so I'm adding 2 or 3 colors in this. So I'm just going to this is like a watercolor book, so it will not be like get folded or anything, so it's nice to have it. And then now I'm going to make sure to dry it. Now I'm going to tear these jelly print paper, and I'm going to use um, fluid matte medium, and I'm going to adhere it. So I'm just going to try and see how much piece I need, and um, I'm going to tear those. Then this fluid medium I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to adhere it. So abstract is like a lot of fun, so you can play with it in different ways. Now I'm going to add another piece in this. Then I'm going to add this text paper also in this. Then some tissue paper, I just marked on that, and it's like a deli paper, I would say, and I just used a pen and marked on it. I'm adding this tissue paper. Usually when I'm watching TV or something, I'll just take this paper and take a pen, like a Posca pen and things like that, and just scribble on that and mark some of these kind of textures. So I'll be doing all those things. So those things are useful to have it when we do the project. So that's the good time to sit and do those things. Now I'm going to dry this. Now I'm going to use this Neocolor crayons and I'm going to color it. I'm using the same color which is in the background, and then I'm going to add water and blend it. I'm using different colors, which also again whatever is there in the background. I'm not adding some new color because then it becomes not very good. Although you can add a different color too, because this is abstract. You can do any thing you want in this. So now I'm going to dry this thing. Then I'm going to use this stamp. Um, it's more like a geometrical kind of shapes in this, and I'm going to use one of the stamp from that. So I'm using archival ink, and now I'm going to just put some stamps, not all the places, but um, I'm just keeping few of them. Now I'm just thinking whether this will be good on this die or this one, but it doesn't look like it might um, look good on this particular project. So now I'm going to change my idea, and before I do that, now I'm going to scribble a little bit using this Derwent black pencil. Then I'm using this Uniball gold pen. So I'm just putting the dots. Then I'm using this white Uniball pen. I just decided to use this acrylic paint. Because I need that bright white in this dots. Now I'm going to use a black pen and do some marking. You can use any black pen to do the marking. Now I did this die cut, the circle die cut, and then I'm going to use this in this project. Then I'm going to use the smaller one. Then I'm adding the third one. Then I'm using this small leafy die, and then I'm going to add that. And before that, I'm using these alphabets die which I had like left over, so I'm going to use that also in this project. This gives like a interest in the background. I have like this some leftover dies, so I usually don't throw it, some of them, and I use those in the background. You can, if you don't have it, you can use a pen and write it too, it's fine. So I'm going to add this element in this. Then I'm going to add some more white dots because it needs like little more white and black in this. So I'm using the black acrylic paint and just drawing it. These are like fun to have it. It is called fine tip, something like that, and you can just fill the acrylic paint in that and use it. And I use that in a lot of projects nowadays because it's easier to use it for the, especially for using it as acrylic paint, and it gives a nice texture in the background. Then I'm going to add some white dots in this and finish the project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.